Welcome back to Nova Wallet's Polkadot in Action series. In this episode, we will give you a crash course on Polkadot ecosystem proxies. First of all, we need to make sure that we are all on the same page and understand what proxies are and some of the common use cases. In simple terms, proxies allow you to delegate another account so that it can conduct operations on behalf of your account. For example, you can keep your assets secure in your hardware wallet, but set a hot wallet as a staking proxy so that you can quickly change validators, etc. without having to interact with your cold wallet. This allows the hot wallet to only conduct staking related operations, and it cannot, for example, conduct balance transfers. You can also set a hot wallet as a governance proxy so that you can vote in Polkadot OpenGov freely without having to interact with your cold wallet. This means that proxies open a range of account management capabilities that would not otherwise be possible. Let's go over how you can set a staking proxy using Nova Wallet. I have some DOT tokens in my Polkadot Vault cold storage wallet and I want to stake them. From the staking screen, select Polkadot DOT, review all of Nova's staking tips and select Start Staking. Input the amount of DOT that you wish to stake. Currently, in order to use a staking proxy, your primary account should stake enough so that it can direct stake. Currently, proxies are not supported by pool staking. Press Continue, review all of the contextual information including any network fees, and press Confirm. Now I need to sign the transaction using my Polkadot Vault hardware wallet. You can see that we now have an active DOT staking position. To add a staking proxy, click on your DOT staking position and select Add Delegated Authority. Enter the address that you wish to set as your staking proxy. You can select the Your Wallets drop-down and see a list of your other wallets that you have in your Nova wallet. In this instance, I will select my hot wallet. Please note that in order to set a proxy, you need to reserve or lock up around 20 DOT. Select Continue, review all of the contextual information that Nova Wallet provides you, and then select Confirm. Now I need to sign this transaction using my Polkadot Vault hardware wallet. You can now see that we have an active delegation from the staking screen. In the event that we want to remove this delegation, simply select it, and then select the 3 horizontal dots next to the account, and then select Revoke Access. Now that we have done that, we can carry out staking operations on behalf of our hardware wallet from our hot wallet. To do that, select the identicon at the top right of the screen. Anytime you are assigned as a delegated authority, there will be a pop-up notifying you of the change. Select the delegated wallet that you wish to control. You can see that you are controlling a delegated account by the icon at the top right of the screen. Let's change the validators that we are staking with, but using our hot wallet, which was recently delegated as a staking proxy. Select the staking screen and then select the DOT staking position, select your validators, and then select Change at the top right of the screen. In this case, I want to continue with Nova Wallet's recommended validators that are selected based on a range of profitability and security criteria. So let's select Continue. You will now see a list of those validators. Select Continue again, and then review all of the contextual information, including the network fee, and select Confirm. You will now see a pop-up that tells you that you are conducting this transaction from your delegated account. Select Continue to complete the transaction. You can see that by using delegated authorities, we were able to conduct specific transactions on behalf of our cold storage wallet without having to actually use it. This allows for a range of account management setups that are not possible without delegated authorities or proxied accounts.